Hi everyone, welcome to Brad's Gadgets. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your Mavic Air with the basics of what you need to know to get your bird up in the sky. Now first of all, I want to start off by saying I'm going to show you what I do to get this thing up in the air. There's a few things that you need to know, a few things that you need to set up before you take off. We're going to take a look at the Wi-Fi channels and make sure that there's no interference before we start to fly. That's one of the major things you need to know before you take off. First thing you want to do is calibrate the compass. It's not hard to do, and you should do it every single time before you take off. So just click on the little icon here that looks like a drone, and that'll take you to the sub menu. Click on the calibrate and start. This will put you into the calibration mode, and it'll give you instructions on the screen. Just rotate it 360 degrees horizontally, then rotate the aircraft 360 degrees vertically. The next thing that you want to do is calibrate your Wi-Fi channel. So just click on the little Wi-Fi logo at the top of the screen inside the circle. That'll bring up your Wi-Fi menu. Here you can see every channel that you have and what kind of interference is on each channel. You can scroll back and forth. Just click on custom first, and then you can see the noise on each channel. To change a channel, just click on the bottom channel index, and that will change your Wi-Fi channel. As you can see here, we click on it, we click OK to restart the Wi-Fi. Once it restarts, the channel will highlight blue, and then you'll see the strength of your signal on that channel. Set the aircraft down, and then we're going to hit the icon with the three dots up in the upper right hand side of the screen. We're going to select our home point setting and select OK, and now our home point has been updated. From here we can take off. We're going to take off, and in this example you're going to see that I'm a little too close to an airport, so I get the warning sign that says, hey, you're entering a restricted zone. Technically I'm not in a restricted zone, I'm just very close. Once you get your drone up, you're going to want to let it hover for about 30 seconds, just to make sure everything's good. As you can see here, there's a little bit of wind coming through the trees, so the drone is trying to keep itself steady. Once you're comfortable that your drone is safe to fly, everything's calibrated, go ahead and fly your drone. Alright, so those are the settings that you need to know before you take off. You want to calibrate that compass. You want to make sure that it knows where it's going. 2, you want to make sure you have the GPS lock. If you fly without the GPS, you're taking a higher risk of having an accident. And if you can avoid it, nobody wants to lose their drone, right? Wi-Fi channels. You're definitely going to want to check those Wi-Fi channels. I took my bird up. I was up about 400 feet, and I was getting incredible interference. I could have lost my drone pretty quickly. Once I discovered and figured out how to change those Wi-Fi settings, then I never ran into that again. Right? So those are the key elements that you want to make sure that you look after before you take off into the sky. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you hit the subscribe button down there, and right beside it's the little bell. You can click that too, and that'll give you a notification every time I upload a new video. And you know you want to see more videos by me. If you have a comment, leave it in the comment section. I will read every comment and try to respond to as many of them as I can. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.